Hello everyone, my name's Simon McIntosh-Smith, and along with my colleague Tom Deacon, we'll be running the Programming Your GPU with OpenMP hands-on introduction tutorial at SC20 this year. Now, why should you be interested in programming GPUs with OpenMP? Well, OpenMP is one of the easiest ways to program GPUs, especially if you've used OpenMP to parallelize codes on CPUs. It's also one of the most portable. You'll be able to write OpenMP code for GPUs that will run across all of the main vendors, from GPUs from NVIDIA, from AMD and from Intel. And also GPUs are becoming an increasingly important part of the supercomputer landscape, with many of the next generation of exascale systems that will start to appear using GPUs. So having a way of being able to develop codes in a portable way with a programming language that you might all be already familiar with is really important. Now, a little about the tutorial itself. During the tutorial, you'll learn how to use OpenMP, how to port codes to run on GPUs. It's a hands-on tutorial, so while this year, because of coronavirus, the lectures themselves will be pre-recorded, the exercises will still be live. So myself and Tom and a team of helpers will be there online. We'll tell you what the exercises are, and we'll be with you to help you and when you get stuck and so on. I will be using the Isambard supercomputer for this part of the course. That's the picture on the screen, which is a real system that has GPUs in it, and you'll all be getting logins to Isambard to run the exercises on. And this should make it really good fun. You won't just be sitting there listening, you'll actually get to try some real things hands-on. And that's the best way really of understanding how to do something for real. Now, while we're not going to be there all in person, it should still be a really good way of running a tutorial. The lectures are pre-recorded, but we'll be there so that when you're doing the exercises and you get stuck, you can raise a virtual hand. And one of our team of helpers who were all there last year, and you can see the picture on the screen of who we had from the team who will be helping out this year. So it should be really good fun. Now, if you want to have a look at some material to see whether you think this is for you, the QR code and the link on the screen take you to last year's tutorial. So while we're changing the material a little bit for this year, it will give you a really good idea of the kinds of subjects we'll be talking through and what the kind of exercises will be like. So hopefully this will help you work out if you think this is for you or not. But we really enjoy running these tutorials. OpenMP is a really fun subject. By the end of the tutorial, will be running real OpenMP codes on GPUs and seeing it run really fast. So they're usually really good fun. We hope you'll join us for this tutorial at SC20 really soon now.